What if you could build an online income without being tech savvy, without building a list, and still get paid referrals? Okay, let me show you 10 reasons why you'll want to join my Global Domains International team. Hi, I'm Carol Rivet, and welcome to my channel and to this video. And before we get started, please like, subscribe, and share, because you may find some of this information very important for your success in online building and marketing. Okay, the first reason, now there's 10 reasons. The first one is that you don't need to know tech. You don't have to have any tech skills. You don't need to know how to build websites, funnels, or complicated systems. Everything is all built and set up for you. This is one of the landing pages right here. Okay, this is all set up for you. All right, and there's many more than that. This is the system. It's a free system that that does all these things, that does all the selling and telling for you. Now, the second reason is that done for you landing pages. Okay, and I just showed you a few of those, and here are more. These are all done for you landing pages, and these were just a couple of them. Okay. Okay, you get high converting landing pages, no design, no guessing, just grab your link and start sharing. It doesn't get any simpler than that. That's reason number 2. Reason number 3 is the smart rotator system, which is this system. Okay, this is a game changer. The smart rotator helps distribute traffic and gives you the ability to benefit from team effort, not just your own. But please don't make any mistake. Understand, this is still very much so about the effort you put into it. You still need to promote, but this gives you all kinds of content to do this. Okay, step number 4 is, the reason is you can get up to 10 paid referrals using this smart rotator system as long as you stay active. That's the key. You have to stay active. That alone can convert your monthly costs, can cover your monthly cost, and more than that. Okay, reason number 5, you don't need an autoresponder. You don't have to worry about how to learn email marketing. This is as simple as it gets, and it's affordable. All you have to pay for is GDI. The smart rotator system is free. That's number 5. And reason number 6 is there's a built-in blog for recruiting. And this is exciting, and this is something that a lot of people miss. Oh, here's the one of the capture pages. Just one of the capture pages, okay? And then this is the blog. And this is linked. It's linked to you, okay? You have your URL. This is linked so that if you advertise the blog, it goes to you. And look at all this content on this blog. 7 best low-cost affiliate systems. Get paid monthly without recruiting. The GDI rotator explained. Okay, so it's a built-in blog. You get your own blog, perfect for sharing content, attracting people, building trust. Reason number 7 is this is done for you content. You see, you can just sit here and go through this content and do a video about it. Do a faceless video on that, on any of these. Okay, and these are reason number 8. The system actually places content on your own blog. This is, like I've said, your own blog. Here is one of the get paid monthly without recruiting. See, nice video on there, content, nice explanation, broken down, simple, easy to understand. If people decide to click the link because they want to join, it goes to your page, okay? You can't get any simpler than this, guys, okay? And number 9 is this is simple duplication. Anyone that joins you gets this automatically They don't have to do anything in here. You can see, you just go grab your link and advertise. You seriously don't need to know anything on this. You do need to be active. And I have a video that goes over how to get the 3 qualifications to be active. Setting up a backlink. That may sound scary, but it's not. It's very simple. Uploading your downline report, they have instructions on that. That's very simple. And then the other thing is sending traffic to your link, which I suggest Traffic Exchanges and Safe Lists, and I have a free traffic downline builder that has all the traffic exchanges and safe lists listed right there for you if you want to use that. And that'll be also listed below this video along with my link to this right here. This page is what I like because GDI is literally my $10 retirement plan. Okay, now let me be real for you. This isn't magic. You still need to take action and stay consistent. That's the name of the game, is staying active, is advertising, doing something every single day. Okay, but if you're looking for something simple and affordable, something that you can actually do, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. I know it was exactly what I was looking for. And this smart rotator system has breathed life back into my GDI. So if you're looking for 10 reasons, and don't, my support and my help is important. I also have a GDI Facebook group that you can join. I have, when you join, look for my welcome email. I have my GDI resource page that has a lot of information on it. And I also have a system, if you want to build your own list, I have a system using Leadsleep that does that. Okay, and that also uses rotators if you want help there too. But this is as simple as it gets. Okay, so, and this is 10 reasons why you want to join. So click the link below and join, and then watch for my welcome email. It has the video in there. Watch the video from the very beginning to the finish, okay? It goes over the 3 things you need to do to be active to qualify for the 10 paid GDI signups, okay? God bless. Take care. And let's go GDI.